Welcome back to Ever News TV and I'm Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story. Monica Ahuja, a grooming expert, lifestyle coach and motivational speaker, hosted her highly anticipated Vision to Victory signature workshop, marking her official launch as a certified motivational speaker. The event, attended by 100 enthusiastic participants, took place at the prestigious Hotel Hyatt Centric, Janakpuri, New Delhi. Event was graced by many achievers and influential personalities, and her launch ceremony was done by Pradeep Rana, CFO, Oppo and OnePlus Mobile, and author Sherry, CEO, Million Speaker Stocks. Monica Ahuja has successfully completed her graduation in motivational speaking from the renowned University of Professional Speaking (IPS) and is now a certified motivational speaker. Her journey to this significant milestone has been guided by none other than author Sherry, India's leading public speaking coach, consultant, and influencer. Monica got full support from her family and her spouse Sudhir Ahuja to live her dreams. The Vision to Victory workshop served as a platform to share Monica's inspiring journey and impactful strategies for personal and professional growth. With engaging sessions and practical insights, participants were left motivated and empowered to take decisive steps towards their goal. Commenting on her achievement, Monica Ahuja said, "This is not just the beginning of my career as a motivational speaker, but a testament to the power of vision, mentorship, and hard work. I'm deeply grateful to author Sherry and the IPS team for guiding me in this transformative journey." The event concluded with a resounding applause for Monica's vision and her commitment to inspiring others. With this launch, Monica Ahuja is poised to become a significant voice in the world of motivational speaking, empowering individuals to achieve their dreams.
से आप सबका शुक्रिया। Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Ahuja and today I proudly say that I am a certified official motivational speaker. Today I conducted my very first signature workshop under the guidance of author Sherry sir, my mentor, and this workshop was attended by around 150 people. It was a very interactive workshop. People are taking away so much with them, and the chief guest being the CFO of Oppo. I'm feeling very blessed, very proud, and I'm ready enough to render my services as a motivational speaker, share my experiences and transform life. Thank you so much. God bless.
Rana, Group CFO, MSM Group of Companies, and Director at Pastel Systems, MSM Retails, और उसके बाद ऑथर इनके हमारे बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया। आई एम ग्लैड कि इन्होंने मुझे आज ऐसा चांस दिया कि मुझे आज मुलाकात हुई मोनिका अहूजा जी से, जो उनकी मैंने वर्कशॉप अटेंड की। ये वर्कशॉप है बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक डिज़ाइन की गई है। ये जो नॉलेज है वो नॉलेज इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है, ये स्कूल कॉलेजों में नहीं पढ़ाया जाता। और जो बेहतरीन इन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी की लाइफ शेयरिंग की है और जो इन्होंने सक्सेस की बात की है। जनरली यूट्यूब पे आप कुछ भी खोलते हो तो आपको सब दिखाई देता है कि आप कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो तो मिलेगा, वो आपको टिप्स देंगे, लेकिन रियल में उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में खुद पाया नहीं है। लेकिन हम उस एग्जाम्पल के साथ हैं जो जिंदा खुद एग्जाम्पल हैं, जिन्होंने खुद किया है, तो उनके जो कहने के मायने हैं उस कुछ अलग हैं। तो जब वो ये बात कह रही हैं और जो सिखा रही हैं, दैट्स अमेजिंग। और हमारी गुड विशेज़ हैं कि वो इसको आगे बढ़ाएं और लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसका बेनिफिट लें और आगे बढ़े। फैंटास्टिक प्रोग्राम था।
Greetings of the hour, everyone. My name is Author Sherry. I'm the founder and CEO of Million Speaker Stocks, an international public speaking coach and consultant. It has been more than 18 years now. I have been working to give multiple public speakers in India and abroad. And today we have witnessed an excellent workshop, first workshop ever by Monica Ahuja, who is a pageant expert, now a certified motivational speaker by Institute of Professional Speaking. And what a turnaround it has been in her life. She had been through many tough times in her life, but today what we have witnessed, how she has graced everything so beautifully, and how she has practically developed her skills, worked on herself, and today she has demonstrated those skill set in front of 100 people in the room here at Hotel Hyatt Centric, Janakpuri, 19 January 2025. This is the date she will remember her for a very, very long time, because now she is a motivational speaker and she is going to change lives of many people around, many students around. I wish her all the very best.
आज मोनिका आहूजा जी का एज ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर लॉन्च इवेंट था, विज़न टू विक्ट्री। उनकी अपनी जो खुद की जर्नी है, दैट इटसेल्फ इज़ वेरी मोटिवेशनल, और हमारी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं उनको हैं कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने सेल्फ मोटिवेट होकर के अपनी लाइफ में एक पर्पस हासिल किया है, वही पर्पस आज के चैलेंजिंग पीरियड में ख़ास करके युवा वर्ग को वो अपने अनुभवों से, अपने विज़न, अपने विजडम से देंगी। ऐसी शुभकामनाएं।
I'm Lipi Gidwani, a public motivational speaker and a mind shaper and a life coach. And I'm really excited and really happy for Monica Ahuja, and many congratulations from my side to her that she has launched herself as a public motivational speaker, and her program Vision to Victory was amazing. The name itself tells how a person can change his dream to a victorious dream. So I must say she was an amazing person who explained it very well in a 40 minutes workshop, and we really enjoyed it, and I learned and definitely implement in my life. And thank you, Monica, and wish you a lot of success in your life and many more victories.
शर्मा, एडवोकेट दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट, सेक्रेटरी जनरल MS टॉक। आज ये प्रोग्राम जो मोनिका जी ने यहाँ रखा है अपना मोटिवेशन स्पीकर के बारे में, बहुत बढ़िया, और इतने अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट उन्होंने बताए हैं अंडर द गाइडेंस एंड मेंटरशिप ऑफ ऑर्थर शेरी। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है कि MS टॉक के हमारे जो ऑर्थर शेरी हैं, उन्होंने एक ऐसा अपनी बगीचे में पौधा लगाया है, उसको आज यहाँ सिर्फ पौधा ही नहीं, उसके फल भी लग गए हैं। और ये इतनी अच्छी मीटिंग रही, इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला कि कमाल हो गया है कि मोटिवेशन स्पीकर के, और उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सब कुछ बताया। उससे भी बड़ी इनकरेजमेंट मिलती है कि एक आदमी कहाँ से चला और कहाँ पहुँचा, और उसने अपनी लाइफ में कितना कुछ किया। ये एक बहुत ही मोटिवेशन कहानी थी जिससे हम सब ने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, और मैं मोनिका जी को अपनी बेस्ट विशेस देता हूँ कि वो अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे काम करती रहें और लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ सिखाकर मोटिवेशन स्पीकर बनाएं जिससे देश का उद्धार हो।
I've worked with Monica for 12 years in a school. She was my colleague, and I've seen her journey throughout. Today, the best thing I liked about her launch as an inspirational or motivational speaker was that I have a feeling that she has inspired and motivated her own self first. Because I remember her fumbling in her first speech or first presentation in school, and from there she has grown, and today I was in awe with her, and only thing that I can say for her is best wishes, and may she soar higher and higher.
I'm Monica Ahuja's husband, and really enjoyed it. She actually surprised me with the knowledge she shared with people, and I did listen to her speech earlier, but what she did was tremendous today. It was totally out of the box, and I'm really proud of her. All the best.
Myself, Dr. Tanveer Navid, Deputy Dean Health and Allied Sciences, MIT University. तो बेसिकली मिस मोनिका आहूजा का लॉन्च था एज ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर। वो एक बहुत ही वर्दी इवेंट था अटेंड करने के लिए, और इवेंट अटेंड करके मैं ख़ुद ये फील कर रहा हूँ कि एक नई प्रेरणा, एक नई उमंगें, एक नई सपनों की उड़ान आज यहाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म से मैं ख़ुद लेके जा रहा हूँ। और मैं बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ मोनिका जी को कि किस तरह से उन्होंने एक बिल्कुल साधारण तरीके से अपना जो करियर था वो स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन फिर मोटिवेट करके ख़ुद को ट्रांसफॉर्म करके आज एक बहुत ही देश में विख्यात मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर वो बनी हैं। तो मैं बहुत उनको बधाई देता हूँ।
आई एम JP मल्होत्रा, प्रेसिडेंट DLF एसोसिएशन, फरीदाबाद। Coming to today's program is a dream come true. What a fantastic speaker in the making. I am very much impressed the way she expressed herself. She is confident, she is knowledgeable, she has got the wisdom, passion, authenticity. और यही कोच की हमने जो देखा है रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। आई विश हर ऑल दी बेस्ट, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि अपना जो मैसेज है, अपनी जो नॉलेज है वो स्प्रेड करेंगे, ताकि जो है इंडस्ट्री को बाय लार्ज और एकेडमिया को इससे फ़ायदा हो. They are motivated to excel and follow our footsteps and advice so that they can add to the Viksit Bharat mission of Prime Minister Modi.
I'm a serial entrepreneur. आज coming here for Monica's launch as a motivational speaker was an amazing event. Monica has been a superstar in terms of learning because she has been an excellent learner. She has a lot of perseverance and her commitment to her work will take her to high mountains, higher skies. I wish her all the best for success as a motivational speaker. I wish she motivates the world at large.
My name is Ankit Nagpal. I'm the director for Bang On Target PR and Media Solutions and also the director for Groom to Bloom Grooming Academy. A big congratulations to Monica ji. I think she's come a very long way. I've known her from the time she almost stepped into the industry, and today she's being launched here with Author Sherry's platform. I think it's a wonderful occasion to congratulate both of them because there are two big minds which have come together. One, somebody who's so experienced like Author Sherry. For several years he's made a mark of himself in this industry, and giving a platform and launching Monica, I think it is wonderful, and I give heartiest congratulations to both of them for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Rhythm. I'm the co-founder and lead designer of Spaces by Rock. So I was invited for this event by Miss Monica Ahuja, and this event went really well. She was very confident. She's got this resilient force in her to be on the stage. She's a very confident woman and she performed it really well. We had a very great time. It was very interactive. The sessions were very interactive during the whole course and we enjoyed it thoroughly. So if anyone needs to contact her, the details are there at back. You can contact her through the details.
David, I'm a fashion photographer and also a founder of Michelle David Foundation. Well, I'm truly inspired today by coming here and very thankful to Author Sherry for inviting me here. Monica has been a great inspiration today for me, and I could relate so many stories with her. And thank you so much for having me over.
Okay, good evening everyone. So it was a privilege to be in the part of this motivational speaker's journey of Monica Ahuja. So Monica journey started from household to a motivational speaker. So the way she has actually groomed herself and the way Author Sherry has actually helped her to come on the stage is really commendable. And I'm very much happy to be the part of this particular event. And it was a great presentation by Monica, and I wish her a very great success in near future.
Hi, my name is Indu Tikku Kohli and I'm a holistic wellness coach. I'm a national international pageant groomer and author. So talking about today's event, the title of the talk was Vision to Victory. एंड मेरे एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जिसमें मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि विजन इज़ अ सीड बट एक्शन इज़ अ वाटर दैट मेक्स इट वर्क. नंबर 2, सेल्फ डाउट किल्स मोर ड्रीम्स दैन अ फेलियर एवर विल. नंबर 3, आज के इंस्पिरेशन को लेते हुए दैट योर स्टोरी कैन चेंज समवन्स लाइफ. So don't hesitate, be fearless and fearlessly share your stories with the world. And today, we have gathered to celebrate the incredible journey of this lady, Monica. I know she has also embraced the same principles, and now she's embarking on a new journey, a larger stage where she's going to inspire the world. I just wish her wholeheartedly a big congratulations and best wishes, big dreams, great vision, and greatest victories coming forward.
That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe to Even News TV. Thank you.